Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making an elegant pink floral butterfly birthday cake for my church's October birthday celebration. Stick and stay with me as we make this beautiful cake you are seeing here. These are the tools and ingredients we are using for today's butterfly floral birthday cake. So we have our buttercream frostings here, which is my almond buttercream frosting. The recipe is linked below, you can check out. This is how it looks like, and these are the colored ones, from the lightest shade of pink through to the deepest purple, yellow, and then some green colored one. We also have 6-inch vanilla cakes. This is my homemade dulce de leche sauce. The recipe is linked below, you can check out. This is also my homemade fondant. The recipe is linked below, you can check out. We have some sprinkles here. Our no sugar, milk, and vanilla syrup. Also use fondant rod and then the fondant mat, piping bag, flower scissors. We also use some skewers for support, scrapers. We have some piping tips here, ranging from Russian piping tips through to the smallest of the star tips. We also have our fondant alphabet cutters. We have our toppers here. We'll use one of them. Silicone spatulas, offset spatulas, the scissors, some tissue, our turntable, our cake board and the complete set, a serving tray, and then we'll use some parchment paper for flower making. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. These are the cake layers, so I remove them from the Ziploc bag and then the clear film wraps that they are in. Now we'll set them aside and then place our cake board here. I've added some frosting to it, so we'll place the first cake layer on. We'll trim off the top. We'll do same for this. Then we'll add the syrup to it. I'll add some frosting to the surface. I'll do same for the other one. Now I'm going to pipe on the border of the cake. Pipe in the middle as well, since we'll divide it into two. We'll be adding our filling to it. This is how it looks like after the filling has been added. So we'll place the next cake layer on it. Trim the sides and then we'll crumb coat it. This is how it looks like after crumb coating. I'm going to use the knife to divide it into two. Then I'll use a spatula here to pick it from the cake board and set it aside. Now we'll use the offset spatula to push the first one to the other side. We'll place this here. I'm going to create indents on both sides. Now I'm going to cover the grooves that we've made with the frosting. And this is how it looks like. So we are going to freeze it for 30 to 45 minutes, and then we work on frosting it the final time, adding our flowers, our topper, and the rest. Now we are going to pipe our rosettes with 3 shades of pink as we see in the video, and then we'll add a purple shade to it. We'll use this to decorate one wing of the butterfly cake. So we are going to freeze it so it becomes hard, and then we'll be able to pick them. Before we get into the next aspect of the decoration, please my loves, have you subscribed to the channel yet? If you haven't, kindly do so now by clicking on the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. There is nothing being charged for just subscribing and joining this delicious and amazing team every single day on your screens. Please subscribe, and I promise you are going to enjoy it. This is the cake after freezing it. So we are going to cover it with our yellow frosting. And this is how it looks like after covering it with the yellow frosting. We are going to do a bit of touch-ups with our pink frosting here on the sides of the cake. So this is how they look like. I'll use our silicone brush here to imprint it. Some of the frosting to create kind of a wing effect on all sides. So this is how one side looks. We repeat this on the other side as well. And this is how they all look like. Repeat the same process with the lighter shade on top of the darkest. And this is how it looks like. We are going to add our frozen flowers to it. Now create the fly in the middle. I switched the color of the cake from yellow to pink because after everything was done with the combination didn't look that nice. So now we have an all pink birthday cake here. I've added the birthday topper. We are going to add the fondant cutouts here. And this is how it looks like. I'm going to add some green pipe leaves. And this is it. We are going to add sprinkles to it. And this is how it looks like. It's the next day and we are going to package our butterfly cake as per usual. We'll start with the transparent box set. We'll add the lid and then our gold ribbon. Finally, I'll add my business sticker to it. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.